Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to plot support and resistance or supply and demand zones on your trading view. It's very easy to do and I'll show you how to do it in this video. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Like and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're looking to download free forex robots, free trading courses, free books and everything like that, see the links in the description box below. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, so see the links in the description box below. Okay, so here I am on my trading view. Let me just do that. So I'm on my trading view, and if you have watched my previous videos, I am a person who is big on trading zone to zone. I call it the zone to zone strategy, where I try to catch movements from one zone to the next. It's almost like supply and demand, support and resistance trading. Okay, so what are we going to do? The first indicator, we're just going to use maybe about 2 indicators to do this. So the first indicator that we are going to use, we are going to go to indicators and we are going to search for SR channels. SR channels, let's see if it comes up. It should be this one. Yes, so it's support resistance channels by a lonesome something. You can see it is about 12,000 downloads at the moment, around about 12,000 downloads at the moment. So basically it seems it's a popular indicator with some people, and you can see just like that, it gives you some areas of interest. I'm on the gold 1 hour time frame. I'm on gold 1 hour time frame, and already just like that, without doing anything to it, it gives you some ideas of areas of interest that you probably might want to be interested in. For example, if we come to this area, then we are probably potentially looking for buys. Then around this area, around this zone, we are going to close our trade. That's all that you want to do with this. Of course, you are going to use your other confirmations. What you need is not to just rely on one indicator. You also need to bring in maybe several other confirmations, so that you come up with a system that at least 70% or 80%, 90% profitable. You're not going to get a system that's 100% profitable. If there was such a system in forex trading, people would be billionaires by now. So what you are going to use this for is as a basis for your own trading system. So this is the first indicator, and you can see already on the gold 1 hour time frame, we did not need to do anything. We just put it on our chart, and already it picked up some zones that you need to pay attention to. Maybe let's change time frame and see what happens. Let's go to the 30-minute, and this is what we have on the 30-minute. And I think this is good for you as well if you are a person who is interested in scalping. Then you can always come to the settings, and you can set the pivot periods there to whatever you want, really, and try and see if it's going to help in your trading. See, now we have reduced the pivot level. Now it gives us like recent zones. So go ahead and test this. It's a free indicator. It's a free indicator. You don't need to buy it. You don't need to pay anybody to do this on a Tradingview. Play around with these things. Play around with these things. Don't just take my word for it. Then the second indicator that we're going to use, we're just going to add it on top for some extra layer of confirmation, is auto support. We're going to use auto support by JMC, which has got about 6,180 downloads or uses at this time of making this video. Let's just edit. Sorry, I clicked on the name of the person, auto support. Then we just close that like that. So you can see with this the supply resistance channel and auto support version 3 on top of one another, we already have a system that basically plots for us support and resistance levels, or supply and demand levels that we might actually want to be interested in. Maybe you might say you don't want to use this. You can just hide it for now, and this is the auto support as it stands. And again, you can actually come into it and you can make some tweaks, but I like it as even with default settings. You can basically see what's happening there, and then we can bring in the support and resistance channel there, and you basically have something that might actually work for you. Like I said, I'm not saying this is going to be working for you 100%. There's not a system that works 100% in trading. It's a fact of the industry, but this probably gives some power back to you regarding what you probably want to be trading with, the direction that you probably need to be trading in.